Hello everyone, welcome back to AMG Cloud. So in this video we are going to talk about the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Exam, and we have 1000 questions in this series, out of which we are going to practice the questions of 81 to 90 in this particular video. Okay, so without any further delay, let us begin. Question 81. One of the IAM best practices is to provide users with the minimum access they would need to be able to perform their duties. Which of these represents this best practice? Please observe the answers and choose the correct one. Your time starts now. Okay, time up. So let us analyze the answers now. Okay. First option, rotate security credentials regularly, is like changing the locks every month. It's important for security, but it's not about controlling access to specific areas. Okay, hope you get that. So this is the wrong answer. Option 2, configure a strong password policy, is like requiring strong doors and locks. It's important, but it's not about controlling access to specific areas either. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Third option, enable MFA for privileged users, is like requiring special keycard for sensitive areas. It's important, but it's not about giving users the only access they need to do their job. Right? So this is also the wrong answer. Lastly, we come to the fourth option, which is grant least privilege, and it means giving employees only the access they need to do their job. It's like giving them a key card that only works for the areas they need to access. Right? So option 4, grant least privilege, is the correct answer. Question 82. Which of these is networking connection between two VPCs that enables you to route traffic between them using private addresses? Please observe the options and choose the correct one. Your time starts now. Okay, time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, VPC flow logs, is like journal that records everything that happens in your house. It's useful for monitoring, but it's not a connection between VPCs. Okay? So this is the wrong answer. Option 2, security group, is like a bouncer who controls who can enter your house, which is VPC. It's important for security, but it's not a connection between VPCs. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. AWS Direct Connect is like a dedicated highway from your house to AWS. It's a connection to AWS, not between VPCs. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Lastly, option 4, VPC peering, is like building a private bridge between the two houses. It connects the two VPCs, allowing you to route traffic between them using private addresses. So our option 4 becomes the correct answer. Okay. Now we come to question 83. Which of these AWS services is recommended for startup with quickly evolving tables? Okay, so you have 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Okay, the time is up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, Amazon RDS, is like a reliable managed database service, but it's better suited for stable, predictable workloads. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Option 3, Amazon Redshift, is a powerful data warehouse for analyzing large data sets, but it's not ideal for rapidly changing tables. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Option 4, Amazon Elastic Cache, is like a caching service that speeds up data access, but it's not a database service. So this is also the wrong answer. Option 2, on the other hand, which is Amazon DynamoDB, is like a flexible, scalable library that grows with your startup. It's designed for rapidly changing data and provides high performance. Okay, so option 2 is the correct answer. Now question 84. Which of these Amazon RDS features helps you to replicate the database in multiple agents? Okay, two options you have to select. Now observe the options and choose the correct answer in 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Okay, your time is up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 2, encryption at rest and in transit, is like locking the library's doors and using secure bookshelves, but it doesn't replicate the database. Okay. Option 3, automated scaling, is like hiring more librarians to handle more users, but it doesn't replicate the database. So this is also the wrong answer. Option 5, automatic software patching, is like keeping the library software up to date, but it doesn't replicate the databases. Okay, so option 5 is also not the correct answer. Option 4, read replicas, are like copies of the library's catalog that are updated in real time, allowing users to access the database from different locations. Okay, so option 4 is the correct answer. And option 1, multi-AZ deployment, is like having multiple libraries in different locations. So if one library goes down, others can still serve users. Okay, so option 1 is also the correct answer. For this question, option 1, multi-AZ deployment, and option 4, read replicas are the correct answers. Okay. Question 85. Which of these AWS services provides you with personalized view into the performance and availability of the AWS services underlying your AWS resources? So your time starts now. Okay, your time is up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, AWS Systems Manager, is like a toolbox for managing your house systems, but it's not a personalized view of the foundation's performance. Okay, so this is not the correct answer. Option 2, AWS Professional Services, is like hiring an expert to help you build or fix your house, but it's not a performance monitoring tool. Okay, so this is also not the correct answer. Option 4, AWS Marketplace, is like a store where you can buy pre-built houses or tools, but it's not related to performance monitoring. So this is the wrong answer. Option 3, AWS Personal Health Dashboard, is like a personalized report card for your foundation, showing you how it's performing and alerting you to any issues that might affect your house. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay. Question 86. Which of these AWS services helps you to execute an auto-scaling policy based on CPU utilization of an EC2 instance? So, guess the answer. Your time starts now. Okay, the time is up. Now let us analyze the answers. Okay. So option 1, Amazon CloudWatch Logs, is used for logging and monitoring, but not for triggering auto-scaling policies. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Option 2, AWS CloudTrail, is used for tracking API calls and changes to resources, not for monitoring metrics. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Option 4, AWS Config, is used for resource inventory and configuration management, not for triggering auto-scaling policies. Alright, so this is the wrong answer. Option 3, Amazon CloudWatch Alarms, is like monitoring system that watches your EC2 instances, CPU utilization, and triggers an alarm when it goes above or below a certain threshold. This alarm can then trigger an auto-scaling policy to scale your resources up or down. So this is the right answer. Okay. Question 87. Which of these AWS services would you reach out for getting into technical expertise and advice from AWS teams for application migration, application modernization, etc.? Okay, so yeah, guess the answer. Time starts now. Okay, time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, AWS Systems Manager is like a toolbox for managing your house's systems, but it's not a team of experts you can consult. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Option 3, AWS Marketplace is like a store where you can buy pre-built houses or tools, but it's not a consulting service. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Option 4, AWS Partner Network is like a network of contractors who can help you with specific tasks, but it's not the same as getting advice from the AWS team itself. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Option 2, on the other hand, AWS Professional Services is like hiring a trusted advisor who knows the neighborhood and can guide you through the process. They provide technical expertise and advice for application migration, modernization, and more. Okay, so this, my friend, is the correct answer. Question 88. Which of these is a recommended cloud computing best practice for ensuring elasticity? As the options are huge, you can take extra time if you want by pausing the video. Your time starts now. Okay, time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, provision infrastructure based on your past projections is like setting up tables and chairs based on last week's customer count, which may not match current demand. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Now option 2, provision infrastructure based on your future evaluations of needs is like guessing how many customers you'll have next month and setting up tables and chairs accordingly, which may lead to over provisioning or under provisioning. Alright, so this is also the wrong answer. Option 4, provision infrastructure based on your experience in your data centers is like using old rules of thumb from your old cafe location, which may not apply to your new cloud-based cafe. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Option 3, provision infrastructure based on the number of active users using application is like dynamically adding or removing tables and chairs based on the number of customers in your cafe. This ensures you have enough resources to handle demand without wasting resources when it is slow. Alright, so this, my friend, is the correct answer. Question 89. Which characteristic of cloud computing imparts the ability to acquire resources as you need and release when you no longer need them? So read the options, guess the answer, your time starts now. Okay, your time is up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 2, reliability is like having a trustworthy computer that always works, but it doesn't necessarily mean you can get one only when you need it. Option 3, durability is like having a strong, long-lasting computer, but it also doesn't mean you can acquire one on demand, right? So it is the wrong answer. Option 4, resiliency is like having a computer that can withstand problems, but it's not about acquiring resources on demand. So this is also the wrong answer. Whereas elasticity is like being able to rent a computer for only the time you need it and then returning it when you're done. It lets you acquire resources as needed and then release them when you're done. Okay, so this, my friend, is the correct answer. Now we are at the last question, question 90. Which pillar of the AWS Well Architect framework recommends maintaining infrastructure as code? Guess the answer. Your time starts now. 10 seconds only. Time is up. Now let us analyze the answers. Okay. So second option, cost optimization, is like finding ways to save money on building materials, but it's not directly related to maintaining infrastructure as code. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Third option, performance efficiency, is like designing a house to be energy efficient, but it's not about keeping a blueprint. Okay, so this also is a wrong answer. Option 4, security, is like installing locks and alarms, but it's not directly related to maintaining infrastructure as code. Okay, so this is also not the correct answer. Option 1, operational excellence, is like having a well organized construction process where you can keep a blueprint, okay, which is the infrastructure as code to ensure consistency and ease of maintenance, right? So this, my friend, is the correct answer. Okay, so we have finally reached the end of this session. Congratulations for answering 10 questions today. And that's it for today's video. If you have liked this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you're new. And please do comment your score down below in the comments. We'll see you in the next video from questions 90 to 100. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and bye.